So we're here in Paris. Just taking into a room.
This is not, there's only two of us.
There's two of us and it seems like we've got a double bed and two single beds. It's a wee bit weird, it's like a hostel, but it's quite nice actually.
Yeah. Like you've got a nice view out that window with a courtyard.
Oh aye. A lovely courtyard out there. And it's nice wee bathroom. Bathroom's not bad looking. Morning guys, we've just arrived at Disneyland Paris.
So happy.
We're here early this morning to get our early morning magic hours. So we've got our pass holders pass. Have you got yours, Natalie? They're stitching that on it. And we get in early this morning. I think we get in, is that an hour before everybody?
An hour before.
So we're just about to head in and we'll see you in there. Look at the views. Just thought I'd try and give you a wee better shot of the front here at Disney. Zoom in and Mickey up there at the top. So that's us. We're now in, looking back at the hotel at the front. And that's where we come into the right hand side there, a wee secret entrance, eh Natalie?
If you go to the Disneyland entrance and right to the left hand side, if you're a pass holder you can get in. I think it's Infinity Pass and Magic Plus.
That's cool. Do you like Natalie's new ears? Look at these amazing things.
Merry Ear Market made me them.
Turn around and see the back. Thank you for them, Rachel, they're amazing.
I love them, I'm so excited.
Oh, here we go guys. We're just about to show you Main Street. Oh, look at that. Oh, the spookiness because it's Halloween. There's some just great details here. I'm just going to quickly show you. Look at the pumpkins and the grass and the flowers, sorry. There's a wee view of City Hall and some of the cool pumpkins up on the roof there. So this is us now on Main Street and the castle's in the background. This is like being in another world. Look at all the decorations. So cool. And we're zooming in the castle, get a wee better look. We just found a wee white rabbit for Alice in Wonderland. How cool is he? A pretty awesome looking cafe here. The March Hares Cafe. Look at the details on this hut. Let's see if we can catch a train here in the distance. And look at this windmill here, that's also a wee cafe.
Tasty looking waffles.
So here's some of the waffles you can get there. I'd probably just go for the chocolate one, looks good. And some slushies. We've come all the way to Paris and we've found the Loch Ness Monster. It's a small world, looks really good. So big, nothing small about this world. I think we're going to go and ride this now. We're going to go and ride this?
It's not open yet.
Oh, is it not open? Right, well, we'll come back and we'll ride this later on. Natalie's just rushing to get a picture taken with Mickey. I'm not really too bothered about it, but she's rushing me along. So, looks like we're going to go meet Mickey. Some of the detail in here is pretty cool. Make you look like you're in an old school movie theatre. Do you like my badge? This is so me. What do you think of Natalie's badge? Whose is better?
Mine.
Mais je suis rentrée. Tu leur dis de rentrer.
We're just inside, going to meet Mickey.
Okay, look at me. Look at me. Okay.
We're ready to meet him. So that's us just coming out and getting our photos taken with Mickey. What did you think, Natalie?
It was amazing. Mickey Mouse, yours bigger than Mickey, and he knocked my ears off.
I know.
It was like, we had a moment, it was amazing.
Aye, Mickey was really cool. We
Yeah.
really enjoyed him.
All the kisses over Mickey Mouse, all the kisses.
We'll hopefully insert the photos in here so you can see our photos with him.
Cameroids.
Oh, we found the big Pirates of the Caribbean boat.
Let's be pirates.
Skull Rock. Oh, where are we going?
On an adventure.
Oh, look at the skull.
Inside Skull Rock right now.
And then if we zoom in here, we can see Captain Hook.
Oh, look, I didn't even notice him.
Captain Hook's doing a wee meet and greet.
What a scallywag. Should we go and swap him?
Let's go see what's down there. Wee Davy Jones. And we've made it.
Oh goodness.
We've made it alive.
We survived Davy Jones' locker.
We've got a destroyed boat here. Sunken ship. Come against the rocks.
Yeah, the pirates have got it.
We just found Natalie's favourite characters. And it looks like they're on a wee adventure just like us today. Got the wee Jungle Book elephants here. Pretty cute.
Coco!
It's like a Mexican big party. I think I would love one of these guys out in my back garden. We got some awesome wee lanterns here. I think they'd look pretty cool at my front door. Even the pumpkins are all Day of the Dead. Cowboy cookout. Big massive barn to go in and get all your lunch and all that.
I love this. This is two of my favourite things, Halloween and Disney.
Day of the Dead Mickey!
How colourful.
He is brilliant, isn't he? And we've also got Day of the Dead Minnie. I love her ears that she's wearing. Well, not our actual pumpkin ears, but the actual leaf bow things.
Yeah.
They're cool. Natalie's just found an Instagram wall. Just coming into Coco's village.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Hey, the dog. I love him. Look at all these as well. Just so much to take in. Look at all the wee guitars as well. Oh, I love these two guys' outfits. Look at them. Just love the colours and everything. Wish I could rock a hat like that. Even the blacksmith's all themed. And then we're just about to leave and look at the theme in here as we're just leaving. They've even decorated the trees. I see pumpkin guy looks as if he's drunk.